Today I'm talking about my number one reason why I choose to grow indoors, vertically and aeroponically. It gives me food 3 times faster than growing outdoors. That is my number one reason right there, you guys. If you have ever grown outdoors, which I still grow outdoors, I grow my garlic, my potatoes, things like that in the ground, but and my peas, yeah, it takes time, and this grows a lot faster. It doesn't grow faster because of some little weird thing that's being done. It's simply just air, nutrients, and water. That is it, you guys. 3 times faster because unlike hydroponics, you do not sit the roots of this into the water. You allow the roots to breathe. Yes, to breathe. The roots breathe. They get air circulated. They get the raindrop as this pump comes on, the raindrop of the water and the nutrients coming down. Yes, you don't need soil to grow food. Aeroponics is not new. It's been around for a very long time, you guys. Not new. Maybe it's new to some people, but it's been around for a long time. So if you want to learn more of how you can kick your meal prep up, how you can kick your health up, start growing. And if you can't grow outside in soil, this is another option. I've saved tons of money. Check out my series. I'm going to talk about other ways I've saved money on my meal prep and on getting healthier, and how growing my own food has been a lifesaver. And now that I can't grow outdoors that much, I get to grow indoors. Have a good one. Be sure to like, comment, save, and